Ever been in a situation where you need a Grab ride but don't have enough Grabpay credit? Or maybe you just prefer the convenience of paying with cash? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into how you can seamlessly pay for your Grab rides using cold, hard cash. Let's get started. First things first, let's make sure your Grab app is updated to the latest version. This ensures you have access to the most recent features and payment options. Once you've updated, open the app and tap on the payment section. This usually resides in your profile settings, often represented by an icon like a wallet or credit card. Within the payment section, you'll typically find a list of available payment methods. Look for options like cash or cash on delivery. If you don't see it initially, you might need to enable it. Tap on the option to activate cash payments. Once cash payments are enabled, you're ready to book your ride. When booking, ensure you select the desired ride type and destination as usual. However, during the booking process, pay close attention to the payment method selection. Choose cash or cash on delivery from the available options. Now, when your Grab driver arrives, you can simply pay them the fare in cash upon reaching your destination. The exact fare will be displayed on the app, so you know exactly how much to pay. It's as easy as that. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about some important things to keep in mind when using cash payments with Grab. Firstly, check if cash payments are available in your region. This feature may not be supported in all areas. Secondly, be aware that cash payments might have slight service fees or surcharges compared to other payment methods. These fees will usually be displayed up front during the booking process. Thirdly, always double-check the fare displayed on the app before paying your driver. This ensures you're paying the correct amount and avoids any discrepancies. Lastly, it's always a good practice to rate your driver and provide feedback on your ride experience, even when using cash payments. So, there you have it. Paying for your Grab rides with cash is a simple and convenient option. By following these steps, you can enjoy the ease of Grab while utilizing your preferred payment method. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.